Who said you can't have back-to-back cat? Oh wait, excuse me. Cat with a red eye on the other side. Follow no more, man. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Let's get it.
Yeah, I got a chip on my shoulder, yeah. I'm pulling up in a Rover, yeah. She texting me like I'm over, yeah. I saw my heart getting colder, yeah. I swear these bitches getting bolder, yeah. I swear these bitches getting bolder, yeah.
You should enjoy yourself.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Fofo Domo, man, shaking in. Look, and I was too excited to make a damn intro. Can you believe it? Man, we up here at Octane and Coffee, man, or Coffee and Octane, however you want to word it, man, front to back, back to forth, man. But look, we done pulled up to the event, man, and we definitely checking in live, man. Look, I got Siri still talking to me. I'm here now. I don't even need you no more. She always do a lot of talking when you don't need her, man. But look at this. I ain't even do no intro, so it's like this. I gotta jump straight into the video as soon as I get here, man. I literally just pulled up and hopped out. And what do I run into? Demons! That's it already. I ain't even been here 5 seconds. As soon as I jig out here and I pulled up and these boys color coded in. You got the nice little green thing. That bit is pretty. Already. I literally just got to the front. He got a couple little nicks on his hood or whatever. I like this blue. Like that little stripe he got wrapped down in the middle right there. So you see, they done pulled up side by side twins, man. They got another one. He ain't really twinning, but he's still with them. Jones is tough, bro. Big calipers. Oh man, it literally just hopped out, man. I already know it's gonna be too much out here today. Like, it's literally too much. I gotta run back to the car real quick though, but I'll be right back once I make my way over there, which is where everybody is actually at. Okay. Now I didn't see this one last time. Out of all the sketch stuff that we did see, didn't see this time. Yeah, I like that with 2 stripes going down the middle, man. 392, man. 392, hear me. I know you hear me, 392 with that hear me. Scatty. I mean, you know the basic badges. You got a base right here next to another scatty. I like this color combo. Daily Driven ATL is actually the group, and I'm a part of, that told me about this one. Told me to pull up to this one, I mean. You see it, man. Good cold air. Oh, I ain't even peeped that. Yeah. I got his cars out right here. DJ B 392, man. Got a few things next to this RT, man. You got a little Shelby. It's looking so pretty under there too, man. Look at that chrome. I like that. It's hot too. You can tell they literally just pulled up and popped the hood. Got the splitter at the bottom, man. I like that splitter. I feel like them stains real on me. I'm not a big stain head. You got a ZL1 Camaro right here, man, with your quad pipes in the back. Big wing on the back, carbon fiber. I like that. Call me Pepsi. Yes, sir, I got you. Nice hood, man. You see it. Little 2-tone joint with the tow hook. That's how you know some. Ooh, this is tough. Oh man, that thing right there is tough. Got a little bowling in the front on that wrap, man. But other than that, but that shit is tough, bro. It says on the thing, bro. With the good splitter. Now look at this side. Yeah, who wrapped this? Lazy Bum 1LE. I'm gonna look him up, see if he wrapped. Got the louvers on the back, fastback. I don't really like that, but I do like this big wing, man. Like, I think it's big though. But hold on, I had to get this thing, this matte purple thing. I like matte purple. He got his cars out here too, wicked wraps. Go ahead and grab that too. Out here networking, man. This how you network, get your name out there and all that, man. I'm out here, if you can't tell, had to make a little T, man. Folk already send me recorded, asked me do I do YouTube, man. So I went ahead and threw the name on the T. Pull up in the bit, pull up in the bit. Pull up, then I pop it out. Oh yeah, not with the mini one inside. The mini replica. Sniff, but don't scratch, please. Yeah, you see it. The whole accent you got. Ain't tough, bro. I like that inside, man. That's a 2017 Corvette GS convertible collector's edition. Hellcat, Hellcat. Hellcat, SRT boy. SRT. Hey man, and just cause it's a Hellcat, don't sleep on this thing right beside me. This Cobra. You see it though on the back, but this Cobra right here, this thing get up just like, probably even more crazier, bro. It ain't no ordinary thing, bro. That's that Cobra John. And if you know, you know. You know what I'm saying? If you know, you know, bro. Like, if you thought the last meet was big, bro, this, bro, like way over there. I mean, we got a whole mall. Last time we was at like a strip mall, plaza. This is literally a whole mall, so of course it's gonna be different, man. It's gonna be different. Oh man, wow, it's a tight squeeze. Let me get through there. Got the 6.7 liter power stroke turbo diesel, man. That F250 big body, man. That whole thing, that's a big truck. This thing is definitely taller than me, like, by a good amount. Hey, man. Who said you can't have back-to-back cats, man? Who said you can't have back-to-back cat? Oh, wait. Excuse me. Cat with a red eye on the other side. My fault. Excuse me, I ain't mean to disrespect you. You know, that red eye don't like being called a Hellcat. You know what I'm saying? He like, bro, I'm not no Hellcat. I'm a red eye, boy. I'm playing. And he definitely modded. You see that green? Hey, man, if you ever see somebody pull in that green like that, man, you know that means it's modded. So it's already a red eye, and he got this thing modded. So, woo, I want to ride in that thing. Talking about the G-Force. Oh, man. And we ride. All right, so a few of my old boy, bro. I was just with them at the last Will Wednesday over in Forest Park, like a couple days ago, man. But they back out here, Dream Motorsports, of course, man. They can't show up, man. You know it. Somebody done popped up in the GL one thing. Dream Motorsports, when they come out here, bro, they do not be playing. Like, if you don't know about Dream Motorsport, I suggest you figure something out about them boys, man. They're not playing. Again, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna get it every time I see it. I'm gonna get that. Black Lives Matter. I'm gonna grab it every time. We seen this one last time at the Will Wednesday. This one we did not see at Will Wednesday. Now this looked like an ex-police Charger. I'm not gonna lie, cause of this grill on the front. I'm not a big fan of that, cause at least not behind me. That would definitely have me paranoid, even if I didn't do anything wrong, just cause of the. Y'all know how things go, man. So that would definitely have me paranoid. But other than that, this thing's clean. I like bright colors, so that's always gonna catch my eye. It don't even matter the car. Like I said before, I like nice cars. It don't matter what it is, man, but this is a Kia clearly, and it's orange also clearly, but that thing is hard, which also should be clear, so that's like 3. right there that we all should be on the same page on. It's an orange Kia and it's hard. And this twin yellow one right here. You don't see Kia Lanos, man. Like, leave a like just for that, man. All right, now you got your vet line up, man. Gonna start. Look, I don't know if I'm gonna hit all of them or what, but y'all see. Drugs are bad, man. Hey, man. That's up to you, how you feel about that. You good, bro? That thing get talking. That's hard again. Yo, it's like, yo, Mustangs are really, like beautiful cars, bro. I ain't gonna lie. It's like the options you have to like switch them up. Just allow you to, my boy, that the old school John. ESR wheel. Y'all see it though, man. Hey, talk about how low key you go, man. Look, I be nervous driving this thing everywhere I go. Talk about a speed bump. Talk about a speed bump, man. Like what? You can't go over a speed bump in this thing. You can't. This is definitely the Black Panther inspired. I'm not gonna get all inside it, but y'all see it though, man. Coronavirus, so I gotta stay out of his whip, but y'all see it though, man. Quad pipes in the back. This is the Black Panther edition, man. Y'all see it? Black Panther edition, man. That's hard. Now this one is unique, bro. I had to stop at this one. They have a signed car, bro. Like, they want you to sign it. I'm gonna actually sign it in blue. All right, look, man. Trying to get me a spot that ain't been touched, but it's hard. Oh yeah, I got me right there. Y'all see it. It's hard, man. Literally got a whole come sign it. Put the box the box of markers out there, man, and let folk come do what it do, man. That's definitely creative though, bro. I don't think I've seen that, so I like that. Oh, okay, cool, man. Look, we done relocated, man, on the other side. But I was literally on the other side of the building over there when I first started, and the other half of the event is over there. So I came over, parked over here. Now I'm getting to the second half of the event, man, trying to see if I can get some more for y'all. Whew, that was a mouthful. Had a breath after that one. Couple old schools. For the old schools. see it. Camaro, it says it's for sale. So he won 95 for it. First wide body Camaro. Ooh, first air ride Camaro in the world. Okay. And that is a wide body too. That's hard. First wide body Camaro, man. And it's for sale. And it's up here. Got all your gauges. That's hard. Ooh. That's popping. I told y'all I like bright colors, man. I also told you green, one of my favorites. So come on now. Best of both worlds, yes sir. I'll take it. Big AMG boy. Love the Benz, man. You gotta love the Benz, man. It is heating up out here, y'all. I'm not gonna lie. Look at this wrap on this Audi RS7, man.
It's like highlighter green. Dude, it's
that's
like
tough. Yo, that wrap is crazy. Like, whoever did this went crazy. Definitely a wrap right there. Oh, they got some even BMW. Is this a i8? If it's not, please don't kill me for being wrong. But it is i8, man.
your color match?
Throw it going up on that guy. That's tough. Hey, okay. I ain't even had to get up on it because you already knew what it was. Clean Lambo. And of course, like the last event, man, they having vendors out here. People got their own little stuff going on or whatever, man. T-shirts, hats, it's like food somewhere over there. Like, ooh, that's hard too, man. Got a little Jaguar, man. It's definitely nice, and it says it's for sale too. Check it out with the big red pads, man. The Jaguar symbol in red, big on the wheels. I like that. You know what I'm saying? Inside definitely look clean. Just a two-seater though, so if you got company, don't be expecting to ride with anybody. Oh man. Yo, it's too much out here. Man, shout out to GoPro, man. That's what I'm on right now. Shout out to GoPro. This is the Hot Wheel Mobile, man. Y'all see it. With the cool bumblebee on the side. He just cooling. I like this. It's not like just one. It's all different ones, man. Powered by SRT. Hot Wheels, man. It's hard. Domestic. Not domesticated. Hot left to size, man. With the butterfly doors. Them big butterflies too, man. Big butterfly doors. Shit, they got in the back. They working with some. Oh yeah. Party in the back all the time. Literally turn right around. Like, this event is crazy. You like literally back to back with dope whips right behind another dope whip. Like, you don't even gotta go nowhere. Look, y'all see, I just left that pink one. I'm right here. Lady 5.0 in this thing. This shit is hard. Literally, I'm not even gonna cut the scene. I'm going to turn around. Boom. And y'all see it. Aston Martin, man.
You're basically melting it as you're.
Bro, I didn't even go nowhere. I just turned around. Aston Martin, man. Like, come on, man. YouTube, I know I just disappeared, man, but look, I'm back. My camera actually died while I was at the event, man. And I ain't gonna lie, I came back home and took a nap. I was up there, it's probably like 8 in the morning, 9 in the morning. It's time is now like 5 o'clock. Yeah, like 5:30. So it's definitely later in the day. I actually done changed tees. You see, I'm rocking the gray one now, man. Had the white one on earlier, gray one now. Actually about to head up to Andretti's though. Always driving, but finna do a little go-kart, man. Have a little fun, man. You know what I'm saying? We bored, so we just doing what it do, man. But yeah, we finna get up out of here, man. Hit the road. I'm gonna get with y'all real soon. Shit,